Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You're seeing amazing, mind-blowing miracle. Naturally, conch in the shape of Lord Ganesh. You can see conch naturally in the shape of Lord Ganesh, collected from Indian Ocean. You can see clearly face of Lord Ganesh, trunk of Lord Ganesh, even broken tusk of Lord Ganesh, and it's a puja conch collected from the Indian Ocean. Looks in the shape of perfectly Lord Ganesh. It is unbelievable collection, beautiful collection. Conch naturally in the shape of Lord Ganesh, and you can also do the pujas and abhishek with this conch. Totally unbelievable miracle conch. So you can see clear face of Lord Ganesh, face, trunk, broken tusk. The conch perfectly in the shape of Lord Ganesh. Unbelievable miracle. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. By having this conch with you, you can get extreme blessings of Lord Ganesh, and gives you happy, healthy life, and will break all your obstacle facing and gives huge success to you. And this conch will give full protection to you. Naturally amazing conch, naturally conch in the shape of Lord Ganesh collected from the Indian Ocean. Totally unbelievable. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.